Hi everyone, it's Vu here, and today we're talking about a trap that so many new traders fall into. A trap that I know all too well, because guess what? I've been there myself. You're trading for financial freedom. You want to spend more time with your family, leave the 9-to-5 grind, or build a better future. But somehow, you find yourself glued to your screen, trading for hours and letting the market control you instead of the other way around. Sound familiar? If it does, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to tell you why spending less time on the charts might actually help you become a better trader. Yes, really. The overtrading phenomenon. Here's what happened to almost every new trader. You put in the work, study the technicals, and finally, you hit that first big win. It feels amazing, right? The rush of adrenaline, the belief that you finally cracked the code. But then, what happens next? You stay on the charts longer. You start hunting for another setup. You make one impulse decision, then another. And before you know it, that win where you were so proud of is gone. Worse yet, you trade more, and the more you do it, the more mistakes you make, and eventually you blow up your entire trading account trying to chase the market. Here's the harsh truth. Trading isn't about how many hours you put in. It's about the quality of the decisions you make. And overtrading leads to impulsive decisions, which leads to losses. Trading is not a 9-to-5 job. When I ask new traders why they want to trade, the answers are almost always the same. I want to quit my 9-to-5. I want to spend more time with my family. I want financial freedom. But here's the irony. So many of them end up treating trading like another 9-to-5. They stuck on the chart for hours every day, as if the market rewards time spent instead of smart making decisions. Let me ask you this. Did you get into trading to work harder or to work smarter? Because being glued to your screen for 9 hours straight isn't freedom. It's just another form of slavery to me. And that's why I created Exit for Profit. At our trading school, our students trade for an hour or two and spend the rest of the day with our family. The real question is, are you much rather trading to live or live to trade? I want you to be the boss and not a slave to the charts. Last but not least, the less is more mindset. The best traders in this world don't spend all day on the charts. They have a plan. They wait for a setup, then they execute. Trading isn't about quantity. It's about quality. One good trade, execute with patience and discipline. It can be worth more than 10 impulsive trades combined. Think of it like fishing. A skilled fisherman doesn't cast his net in every direction, hoping to catch something. He waits. He knows where the fish are and casts his line with purpose. Trading is no different. So, how do you start trading smarter? Here are the 3 tips. 1. Set a daily time limit. Decide how much time you spend on the charts each day and stick to it. I highly recommend you start with no more than 2 hours a day. As if you imagine yourself playing a sport. You don't get to play this game called trading for 8 hours straight. Seriously, the more you get stuck on the screen, the more you'll give back to the market. Take breaks. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your trading is to step away and clear your mind. The market will be there tomorrow. 2. Create a trading plan. Know exactly what you're looking for before you even open your platform. I don't get to click the chart to see if it trades work or if it doesn't. That's not trading, that's gambling. Before you gamble your entire net worth away in a trade, think of it like this. If the setup isn't there, walk away. You just need to survive to trade another day. The market will always be there tomorrow. Will you be there to trade it? 3. Set a daily loss limit or a number of trade limits. I'm talking about a hard stop on how many trades you can take and how much you're willing to lose in a single day. This simple rule has been a game changer for me, and I think it can help you too. For me, that means 2 simple rules. 1. No more than 5 trades per day. 2. No more than $2,000 in losses, period. Why these numbers? Because they force me to focus on quality over quantity. If I only have 5 trades to work with, think of it like this. I'm not gonna waste them on setup that aren't 100% solid. And if I hit my $2,000 loss limit for the day, I'm done. No exceptions. It's like putting guardrails on your trading. They keep you from going off the cliff. At the end of the day, trading isn't just about making money. It's about creating a life aligns with your goal. Financial freedom isn't staring at the charts all day. It's about being present for the things that matter the most: your family, your passion, your health. So, if you find yourself over trading or spending too much time on the charts, I challenge you to take a step back. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Less is more. Fewer trades, more patience, more time for the things you truly value. That's how you rise above the noise and become the trader and the person you're striving to be. Thanks for watching, everyone. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more content just like this. And let me know in the comments below, how much time are you spending on the charts at the moment? How often do you trade, and how many trades on average are you making per day? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, trade smart and stay disciplined, my friend.